Hey everybody, we're the Border Hookups. I'm Dave, this is Jacqueline. We are here to announce Romp It Up 2025, held in Sonoita, Arizona, high desert wine country, just south of Tucson. It will be held November 5th to the 10th, and it's 5 days of live acoustic music and RV activities.
Yeah, we're so excited. This is our second annual Romp It Up Festival. Last year's was amazing, and this year's is going to be even better. Like Dave said, acoustic music, costume contest, wine tours, cornhole tournament, food trucks, all kinds of fun stuff, and we would love for you guys to be there.
Absolutely. So make sure you guys get tickets that are available in the description of this video, and get them quick because they are going fast.
And here's a video that you can watch that shows you last year's event, so you can get an idea of how fantastic it is. We hope to see you out here.
We'll see you out here.